Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're talking about a pretty big shift happening in industrial cleaning. There's this company, Chihalo, and they're basically changing the game by cutting out the middleman. We're talking about putting some seriously powerful laser tech right into the hands of the people who actually use it.
All right, so here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll talk about why the old ways of doing things are, well, kind of broken. Then we'll get into the cool stuff, the laser solution itself and where it's making a huge difference. After that, we'll walk through how you'd actually pick the right tool for the job. And maybe most importantly, we'll look at the money, the real financial upside of going straight to the factory.
Okay, first things first, let's talk about the problems a lot of industries are dealing with when it comes to cleaning surfaces. And, it's about so much more than just getting the gunk off. So I've got a question for you. If you're still using stuff like sandblasting or chemical dips, are you really thinking about the total cost? It's not just about the dollars and cents. You've got environmental headaches, safety risks for your crew, and you might even be damaging the very parts you're supposed to be cleaning. It's a real mess.
And this chart? Wow, it lays it all out pretty clearly. Just look at the operating costs. For laser cleaning, you're basically just paying for electricity. Compare that to the others, where you're constantly buying media, dealing with chemicals, and then paying again to get rid of the hazardous waste. And that's before we even talk about the huge differences in surface damage and worker safety. It's night and day.
So if the old way is broken, what's the fix? Well, this is where it gets exciting. We're talking about a genuine revolution in cleaning, all thanks to laser technology. It's precise, it's powerful, and it's a totally different way of thinking about the problem.
The secret sauce here is something called selective ablation. Sounds fancy, right? But the idea is pretty simple. The laser beam is tuned so that all the bad stuff, the rust, the paint, the oil, it just soaks up that energy and poof, it vaporizes instantly. But the metal underneath? It has a totally different setting, so the laser basically leaves it completely untouched. It's amazing. No damage, just a perfectly clean surface.
And you can use this for just about anything. Seriously, the range is incredible. We're talking about blasting off thick, caked-on rust from a massive ship's hull, all the way down to zapping off invisible, microscopic oils that could completely ruin a critical weld on an airplane part. That's some serious versatility. And look, this isn't some pie-in-the-sky lab experiment. This stuff is being put to the test every single day, out in the real world, in some of the most high-stakes industries you can imagine, places where there is zero room for error. Think about it. We're seeing it on automotive assembly lines, in the maintenance hangars for advanced military jets. It provides a level of precision and control that old-school methods just can't touch. I mean, it's so precise and gentle, they're even using it to clean priceless ancient artifacts without damaging them. How cool is that? Okay, so what does this mean in the real world? Let's talk efficiency. Check out this case study from the auto industry. They took a cleaning job that used to take 30 minutes with sandblasting and got it done in just 10 with a laser. That's not just a little bit better, that's a 2/3 reduction in time. That is a massive productivity gain. And that's before you even count the money you save by not having to buy sandblasting media anymore. All right, so the benefits are pretty obvious, right? But now you might be thinking, okay, I'm sold, but where do I even start? You've got everything from these little handheld units to giant robotic systems. How in the world do you pick the right one for what you need? Well, Chihalo actually makes this part pretty easy. They've boiled it down to a simple 5-step guide. It really takes the mystery out of it and helps you zero in on the perfect machine for your specific job. So, one of the biggest choices you'll make is between a pulsed laser and what's called a continuous wave, or CW laser. It's basically a trade-off. Think of pulsed lasers like a high-powered strobe light, short, intense bursts of energy. They're perfect for delicate, precise work because they generate very little heat. On the other hand, a CW laser is like a fire hose, a constant, powerful beam. It's built for speed and tearing through really heavy rust and thick coatings. And this little guide just brings it all together beautifully. You can literally see how your job maps to the right machine. So let's say you're dealing with a bit of light rust on some delicate parts. Bam! The chart points you right to a 100 to 200 watt pulsed laser and even gives you the factory direct price range. Super helpful. Okay, so now we get to the real heart of it. The laser tech itself is amazing, we get that. But why Chihalo? What makes them different from any other company selling these machines? Honestly, it comes down to one massive advantage, the price. And here's why. They sell directly from their factory. By cutting out all the middlemen, the importers, the distributors, the local dealers who all need to take their cut, you end up saving a mind-blowing 30 to 50%.
And I want to be clear, that's not some special sale price. That's just how they do business.
Let's put some real numbers on that. Take a 200-watt pulsed laser. It's a super popular workhorse kind of machine. If you buy it direct from Chihalo, you're looking at about $7,000. Go through a typical dealer for a machine with these same specs, you could easily be paying $12,000. That's $5,000 in savings just by cutting out the middleman.
But it's not just about getting a cheap machine. It's about value. The company was founded by an engineer, Don Huang, who is clearly passionate about this stuff. That means there's real expertise behind the scenes, ensuring that quality and top-notch performance are baked right into these machines from the ground up.
And they're not cutting corners on the parts either. I mean, look at the components they use. They're building these machines with the exact same industry-leading laser sources. We're talking JPT, Rakis, Max. You can even get the top-of-the-line German brand IPG. These are the same guts you'd find inside equipment that costs double or even triple the price.
Okay, so the sticker price is great, but that's really only half the story, isn't it? To really understand the value, you have to look past the initial purchase and think about the long-term return on your investment, your ROI.
Think about the total cost of ownership. With a laser, you completely eliminate the cost of consumables. No more buying sand or chemicals. Ever. Then you've got much lower maintenance costs. And the laser source itself? It's rated for over 100,000 hours. That's more than 10 years of use. When you add all that up, the long-term financial win is just undeniable.
And that brings us to the final and maybe the most powerful point. We've talked about materials, we've talked about maintenance, but what about your people? This technology can lead to a huge boost in labor efficiency. So I'll leave you with this question. What could your business do if you could cut the labor costs for your cleaning tasks by 50 or even 70%? What would that mean for your bottom line? So if any of this has you thinking, and you're ready to see what the actual numbers look like for your business, the next step is super simple. You can get a free quote, and here's the best part. You'll talk directly to the engineers of the factory, the people who actually build these things. No sales pitch, just a straight-up, transparent conversation.